Okie dokie. Right, we're at the Painting and Decorating Show, stroke the Installer Show 2026 at the NEC. Now, I'm over on the, you can see it here, WallPen stand, and they've kindly offered to do a caricature video stroke picture of me that's going to be scanned and printed onto a canvas on the wall that I've supplied. So it's either go big or go home, and I've come with a nice big canvas to get printed onto. And I'm going to be talking to Jason. He's going to run through a few things, what this actual product is, where it's got the market in the UK, particularly for the decorator that wants to probably elevate their game, or for any other trade that wants to actually use this product. So I'm going to swivel the camera around and Jason can just tell us a little bit more about it. You'll get the idea once I start getting my face scanned and the printing starts happening on the wall. Hello, Jason.
Hiya, Phil. Welcome to WallPen.
I don't think I probably explained it well enough, but that's where you're here. So you've got a mic on, tell us all about it.
Well, the WallPen intrinsically will print any image on any vertical surface. So we can print directly onto walls, we can directly print onto brick, breeze block even, glass. What it does is it is a very large inkjet printer, very high spec, and we can make any decorator's profession look better. Because what we can enable you to do is do wall murals, and instead of getting any vinyl or getting your spray paints out, we can actually print directly onto the wall with your design or your client's design. Doesn't take away any of your skill. You still do your decorating, but we can really take it to the next level. And what we're going to do today is, it's a little bit of a fun thing, where we're going to take Phil's face, we're going to make him into a caricature, which no doubt he will hang in one of his mansions.
YouTube studio. We'll go with YouTube studio. I just want you to make me look like a film star.
So here we go. Let you crack on, get in front of the caricature booth, and let's do it.
So I'm hoping you can see what's happening here. There is a scanner, i.e. the camera on this laptop. I stand in front of it, I press the space bar, it scans me, like you'll see me here. It will scan me, and then it'll do an AI generated image. So hopefully I can get the camera to level up. There we go. I'm going to make sure I'm on a level that we don't get a double chin.
Press the space bar, please, Phil.
I'm making sure my hair looks all right.
Oh, it's perfect. It's perfect in every way. Happy with that one?
We'll retake it just in case. I'll escape. That looks better.
Brilliant.
I'm happy with that. So what do we do now?
Hit the space bar again, we'll use that one. And then if you'd like to put in trade or custom if you want to.
YouTuber.
And then what we're doing is a custom AI generated image with the background going to be relating to what I do. So I'm going to go painter and decorator. We'll try YouTube influencer as well. Press enter and let's see what it generates.
A few moments later.
I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Can we see it again? I'm going to take that because there's some plaques there, and do you know what? I look like Methuselah. You know, the woman who's got the snakes on the head? I love it, I love it. So we'll go with that.
I mean, it's important to note that this is a little bit of fun. What we're going to do now is upload it to the printer, and this is really just to show you how easy it is to do this. You can do any picture, absolutely any picture that you can produce, we can print. Any size, 4 meters tall, infinitely long. If your client has got a garage with a Ferrari in it and they want a picture of the Ferrari, we can print it straight on the wall. You don't need vinyl, you don't need spray paint. We can do it. Right then, Phil, let's upload it and see what you look like.
I'm going to ask the question, what's the longevity of the inks that you use, Jason? When you print on a wall, how long does it last? Is there
in a normal environment,
paint
10 years.
Right.
10 years. It's UV safe, it's UV cured. If you have it outside, I'd put a little bit of lacquer on it just to make it a bit more survivable to the British weather. But realistically, you're not getting it off the wall. You'll have to paint over it.
That's not good for business, Jason. That's not good for business.
It'll be very good. Because you can always add a margin.
Oh, that's it, yeah. We can tell them we want to redo it again in 5 years, but no, that's great. So it is actually hard wearing.
It's very hard wearing and very easy to do.
This is the canvas we've got on the wall.
700.
Now,
700
I
wide.
picked this canvas up from the range. It's quite a big one.
Yeah, that's it.
And apparently this will take only about 20 minutes-ish to actually print.
Something
that
like
size,
that.
Yeah.
How many passes?
Right, what did you want to tell us about the positioning and what we're printing on then, Jason?
Well, you can see at the bottom there, you can see a laser mark. That enables the print head to sit 7 millimeters away from the wall. So if your wall is uneven, it adjusts the print to 7 millimeters away, which means that you don't need to do a massive job on repairing a wall. It can go on a wall that is bumpy. It can go on a wall that's got curves in it. It can go straight on brick. Here, obviously, we're using a canvas because it means that you can put it in your YouTube studio and take it home. A little gift from WallPen.
Thank you.
So what we're going to do now is we are going to set it going, and it will take 23 minutes.
Yeah. Now what I'm going to say is you can see a UV light going up and down. Now it's the UV light that helps the drying of the ink that's going over the surface. So you've got no fear of any ink still being a little bit soft or a bit of ink that's going to smudge, because as soon as that print is on there, that UV light that's going up and down following the inkjet, it is actually making it dry instantly. Am I correct?
Okay, well done.
Jason?
Yes, indeed.
Yeah, that's right.
It's a UV cured ink, which means that it's instantly dry. What it can do as well is it can undercoat. So here we're printing on white. If we're printing on a purple wall, we can undercoat with a white layer as well.
Yeah.
So it'll print the white first, and then it'll print on top of it with the colours, make it a bit more vibrant. But here you go. I mean,
Look how quick it's actually doing that.
It's starting
first
to print
inch
it up.
worth.
And this is on a fairly good setting.
Yeah.
We can improve the resolution on it if we needed to.
Yeah.
So for photo quality, we can double the resolution that we're on there.
Yeah.
It'll go up to 1200 DPI.
It's really, really clever.
So equally, text, we can go down to 10 font text and it's still being readable. And here we go. I mean, this is a nice little demonstration, and I'm looking forward to seeing it in your office.
We're going to be having a laugh at this one, aren't we? But it's marvellous. Do you know what? We've got slight hiccups. You know what you get when you're live on telly, and as Craig Phillips is behind me laughing his head off. Do you know what? I'm really really impressed with that, and I'm going to swivel the camera around. Jason's going to tell us what's gone on, what's happened, and again, this is big. It's all experimental. I'm really, really pleased with that. But what do you want to tell us, Jason?
I think it's gone very well, to
Yeah,
be
no,
honest. I
first
think it's a
time.
really good likeness. You can see, though, that what's happened is a gust of wind has made the canvas move a little bit. Generally speaking, when we're doing walls, they don't move.
It's somebody opened that door of the NEC and it just came all the way through.
But don't you look good?
I think
Don't
I
you
do.
look good?
Do you know what? My hair's all the right colour, my eyes are the right colour, clean as shaven. You can clearly see that I've got my beef tallow on my face, so I'm all moisturised and looking as young as I possibly could be.
I'm very pleased, especially with the text.
Yeah.
And again, it's a nice way of ending the day. We've had a really good time here at the Painting and Decorating Show. We've met some superb superb people.
Yeah.
I think the one thing I'd like to point out is that we're not taking decorators' jobs. We're making them more flexible.
Yeah.
They can take their craft to the next level.
Yeah.
And really, everything is digital these days.
Yeah.
So we can upload somebody's digital image, we can put it onto your wall, whether that be a residential building, a man cave, or even a commercial opportunity, or even just a wall. You fancy a Banksy? We'll print you one.
That's good.
We can sell you the equipment.
Yeah.
The equipment is £50,000, just about.
Yeah.
That includes training and enough ink to cope for 2 years. Or we can come out and we can help you by doing it on a day rate basis. Just get in touch and come have some fun with us.
What I will say is I will do a link if you give me your, I'll do that, web address. If anybody wants to touch base with you, you can do. For me, I think this is fantastic, and we were experimenting doing something a bit bigger than anything else you've done over the day, because we've got smaller ones. I've come in with some big canvas, and all that's happened, if anybody says, oh yeah, it's smudged, it hasn't smudged. The canvas has moved on this flexi board, and obviously the machine doesn't move. But if you've got a flat wall, if you've got your breeze block area, that's not going to happen. But do you know what? That is lovely. That is lovely. So there we have it. Jason, thank you very much. That is me in all my splendour. And you know what? If you are interested in something like this, and I will say, it does sound expensive, the outlay of £50,000, but if you think you can charge £2,000 just to print a wall out with something like this, you soon get your money back. And you're going to say, well, how long does that take? Do you know what? An hour to 2 hours, you've probably done that job and you've made money. So profit is actually made quite quickly once you've got that initial outlay out of the way. And as Jason was saying, you've got two years worth of ink, and it's a new market to branch into if you're a decorator wanting to try something else. And every year something moves on, and do you know what? This is the thing that's moving on for the decorator. So I'm going to say thank you very much, Jason. I love it. I think it's great.
Thank you. Take care. Stay safe.